Hello my dear students, welcome back to our online classes. This video is for class 3. Subject is computer. In our previous video we had completed chapter number 4, book reading. Book reading in the sense we had complete our reading and translation of chapter number 4, that is introduction to computers. Is that clear? So in this video we will solve exercise of this chapter. So open your books and come on page number 10. Page number 10, here are some exercise that is given. So we will solve it. First one, A is multiple choice questions. Multiple choice question is, it means you have some different kinds of answer. You will tick the correct option. Okay. So let's start. First, dash is an operating system. Which is the operating system? Windows is the operating system. Click on C, Windows. Second one, the software used to do sums on a computer. Which software is used to do sums on computer? Calculator. Calculator is used to do sums on computer. Tick on B, calculator. Third one, system software is like a manager, because it manages all the parts of a computer, all the activities of a computer. So tick on A, manager. Fourth one is, we can touch and feel the hardware. We can touch and feel the hardware. Option C, hardware. Is that clear? Now B, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A computer has two parts, hardware and software. Computer has two parts, hardware and software. Second ones, I will write numbers on inbox, so that is help you to write down. Okay. Software is a set of program. Software is a set of programs. Okay. And dash is a part of software system. Operating system is a part of system software. Operating system is a part of system software. Third one is operating system, and the last is input device is used to input to the program. Input device. Okay. C, circle the odd one out. Odd one out in the sense you will see there are four pictures in each part. So we will circle on that part that is not in the same category. Same category in the sense three of them is a same category, and fourth one is different category. So we will check which is the different category. Paint, pen drive, Powell Place, MS Word. Paint, Powell Place and MS Words are software. Okay, application software, but pen drive is a hardware, so we will circle on pen drive. Okay, here pen drive is odd of 4 of them. Okay. Second is Windows XP, calculator, Windows 7, Windows 8. Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8. You will see same name, and these all are system software. These all are system software, but calculator is a application software. So we will circle on calculator. Calculator is a application software. Is that clear? Now come on page number 11. Third, printer, mouse, MS Word, monitor. MS Word is a software, but monitor, mouse and printer all three are hardware. So we will circle on MS Word. Is that clear? Now see, question of exercise part A, B, C you will do in your book. A, B, C you will do in your book from D. From D you will write in your notebook. From D you will write in your notebook. Okay, is that clear? Exercise from D. आप D से क्या करेंगे? अपनी notebook में करेंगे. It means D, E, F, G. You will write down in your notebook. Is that clear? Okay. D. Quiz. Name any two hardware device. Name any two hardware device. First one is monitor. Do any kind of two hardware device, monitor, and second one is mouse. Mouse, M-O-N-I-T-E-R, monitor, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Two, okay, two ही लिखने देना आपको, तो two हो गए. Okay, second, give an example of system software. Give an example of system software means you will write any system software. So we will write Windows XP. Windows XP. Okay. E. Very short answer question. Very short answer question. What are two types of computer system? Computer system. Two types of software. Computer software. Sorry. What are two types of computer software? Is application software. APPLICATION. Application software. And system software. SYSTEM. System. SOFTWARE. Software. Two types of computer softwares are application software and system software. Name any two hardware present inside the CPU box. CPU box के अंदर के two parts लिखने हैं हार्डवेयर के. ओके, हार्ड डिस्क एंड RAM. Hard disk and RAM. Is that clear? Remaining two exercise F and G I will provide through worksheet. Okay, इन दोनों क्वेश्चंस, इन दोनों एक्सरसाइज की मैं आपको वर्कशीट प्रोवाइड करूंगी that you will write down in your notebook. Okay, so do A, B, C, D, E also. A, B, C, D, E also in your notebook. A, B, C, D, E. आप E तक बेटा आपको अपनी नोटबुक में ही करना है. E तक आपको अपनी बुक में ही करना है. Only F and G you will write down in your notebook that I will provide in worksheet form. Okay, worksheet form में मैं आपको F and G की वर्कशीट भेजूंगी जो आपको अपनी नोटबुक पे करनी है. Till E, A, B, C, D, E you will write down in your book. Is that clear? And learn, write it. You will write it or learn it. Okay, learn भी करना है और आपको लिखना भी है. ठीक है. Till then, stay safe, stay home.